7 heart-healthy reasons to drink 1 cup Moringa tea daily. Have you heard of Moringa? And have you ever wondered why this plant is garnering global attention and how a simple cup of its tea could be a supportive addition to your heart health routine? If you're concerned about maintaining your heart health, perhaps looking for natural ways to support the wellness plan from your doctor, this video is especially for you. We all know heart is what keeps us going, so it's really important for us to understand how to keep it healthy. If you're wondering how to start taking care of your heart, the answer is simple. Focus on the food you are eating. Right, Moringa, often referred to as the tree of life, functions close to a natural pharmacy, boasting an impressive profile of nutrients and bioactive compounds. But what exactly is this plant used for? If you search for Moringa online, you'll find a lot of information, with some claims that might seem questionable. In today's video, we dive into the findings concerning Moringa and heart health. We'll present 7 evidence-based reasons why incorporating its tea can be a wise investment for your cardiovascular health. And believe me, one of the benefits on this list, which deals with how your heart is energized, might just surprise you. As a bonus, by watching until the end, you'll learn the correct way to prepare Moringa tea and the appropriate amount to consume. What is this miracle Moringa? Before we dive into the 7 reasons, let's briefly discuss what Moringa actually is. Originating from the arid soils of Africa and Asia, the Moringa oleifera tree has a rich history as both food and medicine, with ancient texts lauding its properties. It's often called a superfood, and for good reason. The leaves are incredibly nutrient-dense, containing a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. While direct comparisons can vary based on preparation, Moringa is recognized for its significant levels of vitamin C, potassium, vitamin A, and protein. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, and most importantly for our conversation today, it's rich in potent plant compounds that are being studied for their impact on the cardiovascular system. So when we talk about this tea, we are talking about delivering a host of beneficial compounds to your body. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Reason number 1. Moringa may help lower cholesterol. First, Moringa oleifera is a powerful ally in the effort to manage cholesterol, making the daily consumption of its tea a potentially wise investment for your cardiovascular health. High levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This process narrows the arteries, forcing the heart to work harder and increasing the risk for serious health issues. This is where the benefits of Moringa become particularly relevant. According to research published in PubMed, various studies have begun to prove Moringa's cholesterol-lowering abilities. In their study with rabbits fed a high-cholesterol diet for 120 days, Moringa extract at 200 milligrams per day significantly lowered total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and increased HDL, good cholesterol, levels compared to untreated animals. According to a study published in Scielo, Brazil, researchers discovered that Moringa leaves contain 36.57% beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that works like a natural cholesterol blocker. On the other hand, a research team led by Dr. Chumark found that beta-sitosterol helps prevent your body from absorbing dietary cholesterol in your intestines. Instead of letting cholesterol into your bloodstream, your body pushes more of it out through waste. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology showed that when rats were given Moringa extract, their bodies actually got rid of more cholesterol through their digestive system. This study demonstrated that Moringa works by increasing fecal cholesterol excretion, essentially helping your body throw out more cholesterol rather than storing it. According to studies documented in PMC databases, Moringa tea is also packed with antioxidants that help prevent cholesterol from becoming oxidized or damaged. When cholesterol gets oxidized in your arteries, it becomes much more likely to stick to artery walls and cause blockages. These preliminary findings indicate that Moringa tea could serve as a promising natural option for maintaining healthy arteries and fostering a stronger, more resilient heart, alongside proper diet and exercise. Reason number 2. It may help in managing blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, puts a relentless strain on the heart and arteries. Over time, this excessive force can damage the delicate inner lining of the arteries, making them less flexible and more prone to plaque buildup. Moringa tea may offer gentle, natural support for managing this pressure. Its potential comes from key nutrients, particularly potassium and magnesium. Modern diets are often high in sodium, which causes the body to retain water and increases blood pressure. Potassium helps the body flush out excess sodium. Magnesium, meanwhile, functions as a natural relaxant for the smooth muscles lining your artery walls, allowing them to widen so blood can flow with less force. According to research published in PubMed, Moringa extract significantly lowered blood pressure in animal studies by promoting blood vessel relaxation and reducing harmful stress on arteries. Another human-based clinical study, published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, researchers found that people who ate 120 grams of cooked moringa leaves showed significantly lower blood pressure within just 2 hours compared to those who didn't eat moringa. This study was particularly interesting because it showed benefits even in people who had been eating high amounts of salt. According to research published in the Asian Journal of Nursing Education, magnesium in moringa works as a natural muscle relaxer for the smooth muscles lining your artery walls, allowing them to widen so blood can flow with less force. The same study found that after 6 weeks of moringa tea, 67% of participants achieved normal blood pressure levels. Furthermore, moringa is rich in antioxidants like quercetin, which has been studied for its ability to protect our blood vessels. By supporting the body in these ways, a daily cup of moringa tea can be a supportive measure that, over time, contributes to maintaining blood pressure in a healthier range, taking a significant load off your most vital organ. Reason number 3. It's rich in heart-protective antioxidants. To understand our third reason, we must first understand oxidative stress. It's a natural process in the body, but factors like pollution and stress accelerate it, creating unstable molecules called free radicals. These molecules can damage cells, including those that make up your heart and blood vessels, contributing to heart disease. The way we combat this is with antioxidants, and moringa is a significant source of them. 2 of the most potent for heart health are quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Quercetin is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that has been researched for its ability to help stabilize blood pressure and protect the lining of our arteries. Chlorogenic acid, also found in coffee, may help to slow sugar absorption and has been shown in studies to improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Together, these and other antioxidants in moringa form a defensive shield, neutralizing free radicals before they can cause lasting damage. Drinking each cup is a proactive strategy to help protect your heart cells from daily wear and tear. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next reason, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. It really helps the channel and allows us to keep making content just like this. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's get back to it. Reason number 4. It may help fight chronic inflammation. Another notable health benefit of moringa lies in its capacity to combat inflammation. Acute inflammation is a healthy response to injury, like swelling from a sprain. The real danger to heart health is chronic, low-grade inflammation, a persistent state of alert that wears the whole system down. This condition irritates the walls of your blood vessels, making them more susceptible to plaque formation. In fact, chronic inflammation is now considered a major risk factor for heart disease. Scientific evidence supports moringa's anti-inflammatory attributes. Studies, such as those published in food science journals, highlight these properties. Bioactive compounds in the leaves, such as isothiocyanates, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, play a key role. These substances are known to mitigate the inflammatory process, offering relief and aid in the prevention of chronic inflammatory processes. By addressing inflammation, you are targeting one of the fundamental root causes of cardiovascular problems. Reason number 5. It may improve blood circulation. Now we've arrived at reason number 5, the one I told you might be surprising. We often focus on the heart muscle, but we rarely think about the quality of blood flow, or circulation, that powers the entire system. Your heart is a tireless muscle that requires a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients, all delivered by your blood. Moringa may help improve circulation in several scientifically proven ways. First, as documented in multiple studies published in PubMed databases, by helping to reduce cholesterol and inflammation, as we've already discussed, it fights against the plaque buildup that can impede flow. Cleaner, less inflamed arteries are wider and more flexible. But here's where the research gets really interesting. According to a study published in Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy by researchers at Kane University, Moringa leaf extract directly enhances nitric oxide production in endothelial cells, the cells lining your blood vessels. In controlled laboratory studies, Dr. Ekthamarat and his team found that Moringa extract at doses of 3 to 30 micrograms per milliliter induced significant nitric oxide production in human pulmonary artery endothelial cells. This nitric oxide boost isn't just theoretical, it actually works. The same research team found that when they gave Moringa extract to rats, their blood pressure dropped, and the more Moringa they gave, the bigger the drop. Nitric oxide is that critical molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and widen through a process called vasodilation. According to the Kane University research, Moringa works through the eNOS/SGC pathway, essentially the same mechanism your body naturally uses to keep blood vessels healthy and responsive. By helping preserve and boost nitric oxide, Moringa promotes more supple and responsive blood vessels. Human studies support these laboratory findings. According to research published in Medical News Today, participants who consumed 120 grams of cooked Moringa leaves showed lower blood pressure within 2 hours of eating compared to those who didn't consume Moringa. This improved circulation doesn't just benefit your heart. It means more oxygen to your brain, more nutrients to your muscles, and enhanced performance of every organ system, truly enhancing the very river of life that flows within you. Reason number 6. It may support healthy blood sugar levels. The link between blood sugar and heart health is critical. High blood sugar, over time, can damage the delicate lining of your arteries, creating rough spots where cholesterol and plaque can easily accumulate. This is why maintaining stable blood sugar is so important for long-term heart health. These leaves have special compounds that help your body use sugar better. Scientists have identified the specific things that make Moringa work. The main helpers are called isothiocyanates. Don't worry about the fancy name, just know these are the good guys. There are also compounds called quercetin and camphorol, which are types of antioxidants. Research shows these particular compounds help your cells take in sugar from your blood more easily, so your blood sugar doesn't stay high for too long. Scientists found that Moringa works in several ways. It helps your body make better use of the insulin you already produce, reduces inflammation that can make diabetes worse, and protects your cells from damage caused by high blood sugar. The leaves also fight off harmful substances in your body called free radicals. Think of them as tiny troublemakers that can make diabetes complications worse. Moringa's antioxidants act like bodyguards, protecting your cells from this damage. According to PubMed, out of 7 human studies, 5 found that Moringa oleifera significantly reduced blood glucose levels in diabetic patients. The review found statistical evidence that Moringa decreased blood glucose, and further research is still ongoing. Moringa leaves have lots of good vitamins and minerals. They have vitamin C, which helps your body make insulin work better. They also have calcium and magnesium, which help your body handle sugar properly. There's also iron and potassium in these leaves. These help keep your heart healthy and your body balanced. All of these work together to keep your blood sugar steady. Moringa leaves are a natural way to help control blood sugar, and the research backing this up is getting stronger. Scientists are particularly excited about it because it's cheap, easy to grow, and available in many parts of the world where diabetes is becoming a bigger problem. Remember, eating moringa alone won't cure diabetes. You still need to eat well, exercise, and follow your doctor's advice. But adding these leaves to your meals might give you some extra help in managing your blood sugar. Consequently, for individuals aiming to prevent glucose spikes, drinking moringa tea can be a wise decision. It's another layer of protection for your blood vessels from the inside out. Reason number 7. It may have a mild natural diuretic effect. Lastly, but certainly not least, moringa may help with fluid balance. Sometimes high blood pressure is caused by excess fluid in the cardiovascular system. When the body holds onto sodium, it also retains water, increasing the total volume of blood the heart must pump. This is why diuretic medications are sometimes prescribed. Moringa may offer a similar, albeit much milder and more natural diuretic effect. This is largely attributed to its high potassium content, which encourages the kidneys to excrete excess sodium and water. This is not a harsh pharmaceutical effect, but a gentle rebalancing that can ease the overall workload on your heart. This action, combined with its potential to relax blood vessels, makes moringa a comprehensive supporter of healthy blood pressure. Let's find out how to prepare this daily morning moringa tea. So, how do we bring these benefits into our lives? The preparation of moringa tea is incredibly simple and versatile. The key is to use hot but not boiling water, as boiling temperatures can degrade some of the plant's delicate compounds. Bring your water to a boil, then let it cool for a minute. If using moringa powder, simply stir 1 teaspoon into your cup of hot water. For whole dried leaves, use a small amount and let them steep for 3 to 5 minutes. On its own, moringa has an earthy, green flavor. For an added refreshing touch, consider incorporating lemon juice, mint, and/or honey into your tea. This beverage not only serves as an excellent alternative to coffee, being caffeine-free, but it's also replete with antioxidants and minerals. You can also take advantage of moringa powder by adding it to smoothies, juices, or sauces. The key is consistency. A few cautions to remember. It's truly remarkable how moringa can serve as a natural pharmacy, but while the leaves are generally considered safe for most, it's important to be aware of some potential risks. This is not a substitute for medical advice or prescribed medication. Specifically, in pregnant women, parts of the moringa plant have the potential to induce uterine contractions and should be avoided. Similarly, breastfeeding women should exercise caution, as it is unclear if compounds can be transferred through breast milk. Furthermore, individuals taking blood thinners are advised to refrain from consuming moringa unless they have consulted with their doctor. It's crucial to consider that drug interaction is a significant concern. This caution extends to all natural products, which, despite appearing harmless, can pose risks. Therefore, seeking medical guidance is imperative. As always, balance is key. Start with a smaller amount, perhaps a half teaspoon, to see how your body responds. Aim for a daily consumption of up to 500 milliliters. So there you have it. 7 science-backed reasons why moringa tea may support a healthy heart. We've seen how it can contribute to lowering cholesterol, managing blood pressure, fighting oxidative stress and inflammation, improving circulation, supporting healthy blood sugar, and gently balancing fluids. It is not a magic potion. It is simply one of the planet's most nutrient-dense plants, made accessible in a simple cup of tea. Taking 10 minutes out of your day to enjoy it is more than a pleasant break. It can be an act of self-care and a consistent daily investment in the long-term resilience of your heart. Additionally, we invite you to engage with us in the comments section. Did you already know about this plant, and do you incorporate it into your routine? Share your experiences with us. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button and share this valuable information with loved ones. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.